Hi guys, welcome to our channel and today we'll make Oreo cake with just 3 ingredients. So let's get started. Firstly, we need 2 packets of Oreo biscuits and now we'll remove the cream. Now we'll crush these biscuits. Now we have to add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 3/4 cup of milk. We'll add milk gradually. Now I'm mixing it. Adding some more milk. We can see the consistency of a batter, and after 5 minutes we'll add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and 2 spoons of milk, and we'll mix it. After mixing, we'll keep it aside for 10 minutes. And now I'll grease this container with butter. And now I'm sprinkling some flour. Now I'm putting the butter paper and I'll grease this as well. We are putting the batter in this container and now we'll tap it. Here we'll use the pressure cooker instead of oven and we'll keep it for 35 minutes on low flame, and please remember to remove the vessel. After 35 minutes we can check our cake is ready. As we can see, this is clean, and after some time we'll take out our cake from this container. Now we are removing the butter paper. You can see it is too soft. Now we'll cut it into 2 layers. Now I'll sprinkle some hot sugar water. It will help the chocolate to stick on the base. We need 120 grams of chocolate, and this is the white Oreo cream, and we'll add the melted chocolate in this and we'll mix it. Now we'll spread the chocolate on one layer. And similarly, we'll spread the chocolate on the whole cake like this. Sprinkling crushed Oreo biscuits on the top. And now we'll decorate it with some choco chips. So our Oreo cake is ready. If you like our video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates. Enjoy!